Hey, Wilson Taylor here. Can you zoom with the DJI Osmo Pocket? Well, stay tuned and find out. So the DJI Osmo Pocket, it doesn't have a zoom feature, which is unfortunate, but a couple different ways that you can do it. One being that you can hold the DJI Osmo Pocket and manually do a zoom with your arms. So you're zooming in and then pulling back. And another way that you can zoom is in post, where you use the Ken Burns effect and you put a zoom on the footage. I hope this helped. Let me know down in the comments what you would like me to make next, and I'll see you in the next one.